Alright guys, I'm coming at you with a 2004 Chevy Trailblazer. We were having issues with oil pressure, and when it was on idle, the oil pressure was low. So we thought it was the oil pump, so I pretty much tore the oil pump out, have a video on that. But one thing you want to check is this guy. This is the oil pressure sensor. And this goes right on the side of the oil filter. So check this. My father-in-law got it for 13 bucks on eBay or Amazon. I can't remember which one he said he bought it at. And 13 bucks, and come to find out that's probably the problem. When I pulled the connector off, the electrical connector, it was just saturated with oil. I was speaking to my brother-in-law about it, and he said that that is actually pretty common for them to go bad. Once they go bad, they kind of like blow a hole through inside here and oil gets on it. So it's kind of an indication that it's bad. So I'm going to be putting a new one in, and anyways, just wanted to give you that little snippet.